So, good morning, students. In today's lecture of estimating and costing, we'll continue with the yesterday's problem. We have already calculated the quantities of two UCR masonry 2. Now we'll proceed further and start with the UCR masonry 3. Okay, here it is the UCR masonry 3 in cement mortar 1 as to 6. So first of all, as usually, we have to first of all calculate the length of long wall and the length of short wall. So this is the length of the long wall. How to calculate it? We know the formula. The length of the long wall is center to center distance plus 1 width of the item. How much it is? Center to center distance plus 1 width of the item. So we have already calculated initially the center to center distance is 7.6 meter. We have to add the width of item. Now here, if you refer the section, in the section they have given us the width of the item as 0.4 meter. Okay, how much it is? 0.4 meter. So 7.6 plus 0.4 will be 8 meter respectively. How much it will be? It will be 8 meter respectively. So we have calculated the length of the long wall. In the same manner, we have to calculate the length of the short wall. So for which formula we have to use? Length of short wall is equal to, again, center to center distance minus 1 width of the item. Center to center distance is 6.3 meter and the minus 1 width is 0.4 meter. So the answer will be 5.9 meter respectively. This is for the UCR step necessary step 3. Now what you have to do is, we have already calculated the length of the long wall and the length of the short wall. How many number of long walls are there? There are two number of long walls. Here I have shown it as two number of long walls. After that, length. Okay, we have to write length. How much is the length? The length is nothing but the length of the long wall, which we have calculated as 8 meter here. You have to just put the value here as 8 meter. After that, how much is the width of the item? The width of the item is 0.4 meter. In this manner, we have taken it as 0.4 meter, as well as the height of the item is again 0.4 meter respectively. Here we will take it as 0.4. So the quantity of UCR masonry step 1 of long wall will be a multiplication of 2 into 8 into 0.4 into 0.4. In this manner, 2 into 8 into this 0.4 and again this 0.4. So how much it will be? We will calculate it here using the calculators. You also try to calculate the same. When I am solving the problem, what you have to do is always keep ready your measurement sheet and just go on solving the problem with me. Here, if you observe, I am solving the problem very slowly so that you are getting the time to solve the same. So the number is 2 multiplied by 8 is nothing but the length of the long wall, that is the length of the item, multiplied by 0.4, again multiplied by 0.4. So the quantity will be 2.56 cubic meter. How much is the quantity? 2.56 cubic meter. Now we'll calculate the quantity of the UCR masonry for the short wall. We already seen that there are three short wall. Which are those three short wall? AD is equal to BE is equal to CF. These are the three short walls. Okay, now I have written here 3. After that, we have to write the length of the short wall. How much is the length of the short wall? The length of short wall is 5.9 meter, which I already calculated here. So the length of the short wall is 5.9 meter, which I am going to write it here. So the length is 5.9 meter respectively. Again, the width will be 0.4 and again the height will be 0.4. Just multiply this 3 into 5.9, right? 3 into 5.9 into 0.4 into 0.4. So it will be 2.832. Here is the total quantity of the short wall UCR masonry. Step 3, how much it is? 2.832 cubic meter. Okay, we have calculated the total quantity, that is the quantity of UCR masonry for the step 1 as well as the quantity of UCR masonry for the step 2 and the quantity of UCR masonry for the step 3. Now what you are going to do is we have to find out the total. Here I will write total UCR masonry. Total. So how much will be the total? You have to just go on adding this. What you have to do is you have to just go on adding UCR step 1's quantity, UCR step 2's quantity, and UCR step 3's quantity. So how much it will be? Here see, I will show you how to calculate it. So just go on adding this 5.76 plus 5.56 for step 1, 4.428 plus 4.617 for user step 2 and 2.56 plus 2.832 for UCR step 3. So how much it will be? See here, 5.746 plus 5.56 plus 4.428 plus 4.617 plus 2.560 plus 2.832. It will be 23.743 cubic meter. How much it will be? 23.743 cubic meter. Okay. Now we have calculated it in cubic meter. How to calculate the same quantity in brass? We have to just divide the quantity in cubic meter by 2.83 to get it in the brass. So 23.743 divided by 2.83. So it will be how much? 23.74 divided by 2.83. It will be 8.39 brass. How much it will be? 8.39 brass. In this manner, we should be able to calculate all the quantities in cubic meter as well as for that of brass also. After this, we'll see how to calculate this is the next item. It is first class brickwork. It is first class brickwork. Okay, in cement mortar 1:4. Okay, now how to calculate it? Again, what we have to do is, it is also very simple. See here, again you have to calculate the length of the long wall as well as the length of the short wall. And after that, just write in the same manner. Now if you observe the plan, we already calculated the center to center distances in the plan. After that, what you have to do is you have to find the length of the long wall, the length of the short wall, and again you have to multiply it with its width as well as height to get the quantity of the brickwork in superstructure. So brickwork will be from plinth to the bottom of the beam or bottom of the slab. Now they have given us as 3 meter as the height of the total brickwork. Accordingly, what you have to do is, just you have to go on calculating the quantities. Now these are the long wall and short wall. First of all, we are going to see for the length of the long wall. How to calculate the length of the long wall? Again, we have to use the same formula. What is it? It is center to center distance plus 1 width of item. Now here, if you observe the section, from the section we can easily make it out, and even from the plan also, we can find out the width of the brickwork. The width of the brickwork, we have already used it in the calculation of center to center distances. It is no doubt 0.3 meter. Okay. So the center to center distance is 7.6 meter. Here it is 7.6 meter plus 0.3 meter. It will be 7.9 meter respectively. Okay. After that, by using the same type of formula, what you have to do is we have to calculate the center to center distance of short wall. So the formula will be again what? The center to center distance of short wall is, sorry, the length of the short wall is center to center distance minus one width of the item. The center to center distance of short wall, which we have already calculated, is 6.3 meter. We have to just go on deducting the width of the item. 6.3 meter minus 0.3 meter will give us the total length as, or the length of the short wall as 6 meter respectively. So here this is the long wall, and below that we are going to write the short wall. So the long wall, how many long walls are there? There are two long walls. Then the length is nothing but the, we have calculated the length of the long wall, it is 7.9 meter. The width they have given us as 0.3 meter in the section as well as in the plan, whereas the height of the construction of brickwork is nothing but 3 meter respectively. So just multiply these all variables to find out the quantity of brickwork of long wall. So how much it is? 2 is number, 2 multiplied by length of the long wall is 7.9 meter, whereas the width of the long wall is 0.3 meter, and the height of the long wall is 3 meter. So the answer is 14.22 cubic meter. They have already, I have written here how much it is, 14.22 cubic meter. In the same way, what you have to do is you have to just calculate the short wall. Okay, you have to just calculate for the short wall. So how many short walls are there? There are 3 short walls. Which were those? A, D equals to BE equals to CF. These are the 3 short walls. Next, we have calculated the length of the short wall. It is 6 meter, which we have calculated here. You have to just put the same value here in the length column. It is nothing but the 6 meter. Just multiply it by 0.3, which is the width of the item, and the height is to be 3 meter respectively. How much is the height? It is 3 meter. Just multiply these 4 variables to find the quantity of the brickwork of short wall. So how much it will be? 3 number of short walls are there. Multiply it with the length of the short wall. It is 6 meter. Multiply it again with the width of the short wall. It is 0.3 meter. And how much is the height of the brickwork? It is 3 meter respectively. So the total will be 16.2 meter here. Okay, this is nothing but the 16.2 meter. After this, what we have to do is we have to find the total brickwork again. Total brickwork. Okay, how much will be the total? The total will be here. Just add 14.22 plus 16.2. So it will be 14.22 plus 16.2. 14.22 plus 16.2. It will be 30.42 cubic meter. 30.42 cubic meter. Okay. Now here we have to understand one thing. We have to again convert this cubic meter into brass. How to so? What is the conversion formula? If you are interested to convert the quantity in cubic meter into brass, what you have to do is just divide the quantity in cubic meter by 2.83. So how much it will be? 30.42 divided by 30.42 divided by 2.83. It will be 10.75 brass. 10.75 brass. Now remember one thing. Why I am showing this calculation of brass? Because when you actually go to the site and when you actually start working at that time, our problem is all the measurement sheets which are to be submitted in the office, or office will submit it directly to the municipal corporation or any higher authority. The requirement is in just metrics. That means cubic meter, meter square, and running meter, and so on. But actually, when we are going to pay the labor cost on the basis of their work, at that time, all the things are considered in feet or cubic feet or square feet. At that time, the quantity is to be calculated in brass. So this conversion factor is needed when you are actually working on this site. So these things will be helpful to you to actually work on the site. So I'm just going through it. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to deduct the windows and doors from the total quantity of brickwork. So these, why we have to deduct it? Because after construction of brickwork, we come across that there is a hollow portion. Okay, there is the hollow portion, and we should deduct it. So for that purpose, first of all, should be able to calculate number of doors and number of windows here. Now, if we observe first of all to understand how to actually deduct, we should go to the plan as well as to the section. So first of all, we are going to see the deduction of doors. Okay. See here, we'll go to the plan. So how many doors are there? We should be able to know this. There are wait a minute, I will show you the plan, and accordingly we will work out the doors and windows. There are totally 1 into 2.1. They see here, this is one door, this is second door, and this is the third door. So there are 3 number of doors, and the size is 1 into 2.1, whereas the number of windows are 1, 2, and 3. There are totally 3 number of windows. So actually, while deducting the brickwork for brickwork, for the doors and windows, we have to totally deduct it from the brick masonry. Okay, so the size of the window is 1 here. We'll see the door is 1 into 2.1, whereas the size of the window is 1.5 into 1.2. Now we'll again go to our measurement sheet and we'll actually find out how much will be the quantity of deductions. These things are not needed here. That's why I'm just deleting these things. These are the unnecessary things which have come here. I will just go on deducting this. This is not needed here. Okay, there is no problem. So the deduction of doors and windows. So first of all, we'll go for the doors. Now one thing, how many doors are there? We have already calculated the number of doors. Okay, so the number of doors are 3. So the number of doors are 3. The length of the door is no doubt 1 meter. 1 meter. The width of the door is 0.3 meter, no doubt, and the height of the door is 2.1 meter. Okay, so if we just go through the plan, you will be able to see that there are totally 3 number of doors. We see multiplied by 3 into 1 into 0.3 into 2.1. It will be 1.89 cubic meter. In the same way, we'll go for the windows. Wait a minute. There is an important phone call. I will just